to put something in your footer in your new notifications. So if we come over here, new notifications, email template design, over here you'll see there's a variable saying if there's a footer logo, an attachment and a link to pull it through and put it in the bottom here in this footer. Now you might wonder how you get that information in there. So if you go to settings and then you go to shop settings, no, general settings, apologies, notifications, you're going to come down to here. In this little section over here, you've got notification footer attachment. You could choose your image to go there. Now, this can be anything. We tend to, when we get new collections, we tend to put them there. If we maybe, let's say we want to advertise our weddings, or we wanted to advertise Christmas coming, order now for Christmas, we would create a graphic that we would put in here. And then we'd link it to that section on our website. So for the purpose of this, we're just going to go Digital Florists. I am going to pop that link in there like that, and then click Update Settings. Now, when you come over to the new logos, come over here in your email template design, whatever image that you've chosen to put in here is that image is shown at the bottom of all your emails. But not only that, that link that you put in that box, when that email got sent, if you clicked on that, it would take you directly to the page, and you can even see it in the live preview there. So that's really useful for advertising new things to your customers.